How to cancel Dropbox subscription on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go to your settings directly here, and it will look like this. Now you will see there your Apple ID or your Apple ID suggestions. So you will see your name there. Just tap on that. Now it will look like this. So you will see your name, phone numbers, email option, your password and security option, your payment and shipping, and of course your subscriptions. Now here, if you tap on that on subscriptions, you have to just wait. Basically, you will see all your subscriptions here and your expired subscriptions. Now you will see the subscription section there, and if you will see a Dropbox subscription, so all you have to do is under that you can actually see when will it actually renew or will actually subtract its fee or the Dropbox fee. So all you have to do is to tap on Dropbox there and then just tap on cancel subscription on the bottom part. And basically that is how you cancel Dropbox subscription on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.